Have you loaded airtime by mistake or received airtime when what you really wanted was M-Pesa cash? If you are on Safaricom or Airtel, this is a problem that many people face, and most don't even know that there is a fast, legit way to convert airtime to M-Pesa instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to convert airtime to cash straight to your M-Pesa.
Now let's go to our next platform, that is Olickhom.
Head over to Play Store, go to the search and search for Olickhom app, and then you should see this application that has this logo. Okay, after downloading it, you need to open it. Now it has taken me to this page. I need to just type my name and then 078999388, and then I'll proceed. Okay, I have registered for the app. There are several options that are on this app. I just need to click on the convert airtime to M-Pesa, and by default the number that I registered with should be pre-filled in these first two sections on this input page. So airtime amount to convert, I should enter the same amount as the previous one, and I should receive 37 shillings. Convert, please confirm. I'll proceed. Okay, to dial that code, and then with Safaricom. Now you have transferred 50 shillings from your account to that one. Your account balance is that one. Okay, I head over to app. Now let's wait to see how much time it will take.
It has taken almost 1 minute because I was waiting for this M-Pesa message. There was a sort of delay from Safaricom end, but Olickhom has sent the money 1 minute after I sent the airtime. Okay, so let's take time and understand this Olickhom. You have to manually send the airtime to Olickhom so that the money can be wired to your account via M-Pesa. Now in this case, if you are using a Katululu, the small phones with the buttons, okay, you need to press *702 then *55#, and then it will take you to the menu, and the process will be pretty straightforward from there. Okay, that's one of the ways you can do. This is suitable for people who have Katululu. Now let's understand how much they charge on that airtime compared to our previous, that is airtime swap app.
And if you want the full step-by-step tutorial, including the clear comparison of charges from different third-party operators that convert airtime directly to M-Pesa, I have already done a comprehensive breakdown. You'll find the full video link in the description below. See you on the next one, and be productive.